Hey Nat, what is a 1/4 inch seam and why does it matter?
Well, I'm glad you asked. A 1/4 inch seam just means that your stitches are a 1/4 of an inch away from the edge of the fabric. It matters because all of our quilt math is based on that measurement. So when you have your fabric piece, let's say you start with a 5-inch square, if you put a seam all the way around it, you're gonna lose a 1/2 inch for every seam, which means that that block is then gonna go down to 4.5. So all the way around, it makes it so that you know what size your quilt will end up when you put together, 42 8.5-inch blocks. So you can check your seams by do a little stitching and then run your ruler along it, and you can see if your seam line lines up with your 1/4 of an inch line on your ruler and then the edge of your fabric is there. You've got a perfect seam. Now, the goal isn't necessarily perfection, it's more consistency. So if you're sewing, a lot of people, my mom in particular, she says that your 1/4 inch seam is almost like a fingerprint. It's unique to everyone. They're all gonna vary just a little bit. Some of us like to watch the fabric on the edge, and some of us want to, line it up with, you can use seam tape or 1/4 inch feet, like for your sewing machine, there's special tools. There's all kinds of markings and things that you can use to follow and get that perfect seam. But really what is perfect is what is consistent for you so that your blocks all end up the same size. And then when you sew them into rows, the rows and the blocks meet and match up and all of your points line up. It's one of those things that's just like, it's magic. So we try, not to really mess with each other's quilts. We try not to help each other out because we all sew just a little bit differently. And so really consistency is key, but do your best and just try to make them accurate, because then your quilt is going to come out a little bit better. You'll feel like a little more accomplished when everything lines up. One thing that I will mention, a lot of people ask about scant seams as well. And what that means, if we can come back and look at this seam again really quick, I want to show you. So if we've got this lined up and we know that 1/4 inch is right on the seam, like it's centered right on the middle. Scant just means that it's to the right of the seam. It's a thread's width basically towards the edge of the fabric. It makes it a little bit skinnier. And so if your seams are always scant, your blocks will always be a little bit bigger. Scant matters a lot when you've got something that has, if you're working with really, really accurate cuts ahead of time and they need to come out to a certain size. If you're making something that's, bigger and you're gonna square it down, it doesn't matter if your seams are scant. You don't have to worry about it. But if you're putting together very specific size pieces, you might go with scant just so that you have a little extra space. It's basically the amount of space that the thread would take up in the fold when you open it. Hopefully that helps
That's
a little
really
bit.
cool.
It's interesting. It's a lot of like math and science kind of how, how much the thread takes up in the fold and whether or not you have your fabrics come out to an exact certain size. So just, do your best. Practice is progress. And remember to just try to be more consistent as opposed to trying to be perfect.